Some Garmin watches support the music app feature such as Forerunner 645 Music Phoenix 5 Plus and more. Please visit Connect IQ to download the music app. This tutorial video may also apply to more music apps in the future, but we will be demonstrating Deezer music app today. You may also download other supported music apps from Connect IQ. Due to the regional lockout, only select the music app that supports in your region. We'll begin with setting up Wi-Fi. Enter main menu on Garmin Connect mobile app. Tap your paired music watch. Select General. Enter Wi-Fi networks. Select Add a network. Choose a network. Select Connect. Successfully connected to Wi-Fi. You may also use Garmin Express to set up Wi-Fi. Connect your device with the computer. Open Garmin Express and enter the device. Select Tools and Contents. Enter Find Networks to set up Wi-Fi. To enter the music page, hold the down button on your device. Enter Menu. Select Manage. Enter music providers. Select Deezer. Searching for Wi-Fi network. Open Garmin Connect on phone. Press the upper right start button. A notification will pop up on your phone screen. Sign in your Deezer account. Next, we're going to select your playlists. Enter My Playlists. Select the playlists that you want to download. Select Done. Press lower right back button. Start music sync now. A notification will remind you to charge your device near the Wi-Fi router. Press down button to wait for syncing. Before listening to music, pair your Bluetooth headphones with the device. Hold down button to enter the music page. Enter Menu. Enter Source Deezer. Enter Deezer. Enter the playlist you just downloaded. Listen to music with your Bluetooth headphones. If you have updated new music on your music app, you will need to update your device and allow it to sync. Hold down button to enter the music page. Enter Menu. Select Manage. Enter music providers. Enter Deezer. The device will start searching for Wi-Fi. Press back button. Select Yes to sync and update your new playlists.